everyone. Welcome to our open house for physical education. We're just excited to start this new year with your students. We've come in and they've been working hard. We're teaching them our basic rules are to be respectful, be responsible, and be safe, and they're doing awesome with those. We have began the year with our space theme, working on some locomotor skills where the younger students have been traveling in their quasars, moving around, working on galloping, skipping, and hopping and jumping. The older students, we have been working on some fitness skills where we're improving our cardiorespiratory fitness and just working hard on setting goals to have our 60 minutes a day and eating healthy and setting good snack goals as well. Now, Miss M has been working with students this week, and she's going to talk a little bit about what she's began her unit.
Yes, first I want to say my name's McManus. I'm super excited to be able to work with your kids. Thank you for allowing me to work with them and being able to teach them about PE and the benefits it brings to your kids' lives. My kindergarten through second grade, I'm working with striking with balloons, and next week they're going to be implementing implements and striking with paddles through different levels of space. In our third through fourth, we're working on volleyball skills and being able to be proficient in those volleyball skills and hopefully drive that passion for volleyball.
Yes, and she's doing a great job. Your students are working hard. They're enjoying the unit. We just want to remind you that fitness is a family affair, that you guys need to be working out at home, taking family walks, challenging each other to see who can do the most jumping jacks or anything like that. It's important for your students to play 60 minutes a day to get that old heart rate up, and you guys enjoy it as a family. So we're excited to have them back, and we look forward to a great school year. Take care and stay safe. Bye-bye.